as exit polls are predicting a big win for the BJP-led NDA alliance in the Lok Sabha elections, with the NDA crossing the halfway mark. Poll of polls suggest NDA returning to power, with top 5 exit polls predicting India bloc will get anywhere from 96 to 182 seats. However, in this report, we will be focusing on the hot seats and which candidate is predicted to win. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. For this report, we will be taking Axis My India exit polls. Union Minister and BJP leader Piyush Goyal is likely to win Mumbai North Lok Sabha constituency by defeating Congress's Bhushan Patil. From Kerala's Wayanad seat, Rahul Gandhi is likely to win by defeating BJP's K. Surendran. From UP's Kannauj seat, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is likely to win by defeating BJP's sitting MP Subrat Pathak. From Hyderabad seat, AIMIM chief and sitting MP Asaduddin Owaisi is likely to win by defeating BJP's Madhavi Lata. From West Bengal's Diamond Harbour, TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee is likely to win by defeating BJP's Abhijit Das. From Maharashtra's Nagpur seat, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari is likely to secure his third term by defeating Congress's Vikas Thakre. From Maharashtra's Baramati, NCP SP candidate and sitting MP Supriya Sule is likely to defeat Sunetra Pawar of NCP. From Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, BJP's Rajiv Chandrasekhar is likely to win by defeating Congress's sitting MP Shashi Tharoor. In Tamil Nadu, BJP's K. Annamalai is likely to lose from the Coimbatore seat. From Gujarat's Gandhinagar, Union Minister Amit Shah is likely to retain the seat. The seat has been with the BJP since 1989. From Chandigarh seat, Congress leader Manish Tiwari has emerged as a strong contender. From Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara seat, Congress's Nakul Nath is likely to win from the family's stronghold against BJP's Vivek Sahu. From Assam's Jorhat seat, Congress candidate Gaurav Gogoi is likely to lose the seat to BJP's Topon Gogoi. From Himachal Pradesh's Mandi seat, Bollywood actor turned politician Kangana Ranaut is likely to win by defeating Congress's candidate Vikramaditya Singh. From the Northeast Delhi seat, BJP's Manoj Tiwari is likely to win against Congress's Kanhaiya Kumar. From West Bengal's Baharampur's Lok Sabha seat, Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is likely to lose to TMC's Yusuf Pathan. From Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla seat, NC leader Omar Abdullah is likely to win. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju is likely to retain his Arunachal West Lok Sabha seat by defeating Congress's Nabam Tuki. From Anantnag Rajouri seat in Jammu and Kashmir, PDP's chief Mehbooba Mufti is likely to be defeated by NC's Mian Altaf Ahmed. These were some of the hot seats. And who is likely to win from these seats, according to Axis My India? Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Result day on 4th June 7 am onwards.
सिर्फ HW न्यूज इंग्लिश और HW न्यूज नेटवर्क पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.